Hi there. Today I'm going to be showing you I'm going to be demonstrating distribution layer functions by just doing some pinging, some simulation mode, just to demonstrate the functions performed by the distribution layer devices. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and enter simulation mode. And within simulation mode, we're going to go ahead and click Edit Filters. We're going to make sure EIGRP is the only one selected, which it is. And then we are going to click the Reset Simulation button. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and hit Auto Capture Play and then observe the EIGRP updates. So you can see here it goes from distribution 1 up to the core. And then it's back at distribution 1, sends it, I'm going to guess core 2, sends it down to the marketing. Marketing receives the packet, sends it out to PC2. It is not meant for PC2, so now we have distribution 2 sending it out. Distribution 2 is going to send it to the core. And then it's back to distribution 1. Sends it back to marketing access. I'm going to try to send it to PC0. Probably going to get an X on that. There we go. And we're at distribution 2. It's going to send it up to core 2. I'm going to see where it goes from there. From core 2 it goes back to distribution 1. And it's back at core 2 again. Sends it over to the core. Good to go there. Back at distribution 2. And it's going to send it down to IT access, and it's going to try to send it to PC3 and PC1, which it's going to give us a red X on both of those. So we can go ahead and reset the simulation here. And now what it wants us to do is go back to real time. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to PC0 and then ping PC1, 2, and 3. So we're here at PC0. We're going to bring up the desktop. We're going to bring up the command prompt. And all we need to do is just go ahead and get the IP address for PC1, which is 172.16.3.2. So let me bring that back up. Just get the IP address one more time, make sure we got it down. 172.16.3.2. And then we're going to go ahead and enter the command there. And you can see that we did not get a reply from those. That may be because we used the incorrect IP address. So we're going to go in here and actually physically check the IP address on it. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and attempt to ping PC2. And it has nearly the same IP address, but 2.2 instead of 3.2, so we're just going to go like this. Boom, dot, boom. And we might lose the first ping, but we should be able to get a reply from the last 3. There we go. And we're going to do the same for PC3, as well as PC4, which PC4 isn't even visible within the window, because we don't have a PC4. So we're going to go ahead and ping, we've done PC1 and PC2, so now the last one we're going to try is PC3 with an IP address of 4.2. So I'm going to bring that back up, go to 4.2. And it looks like we did get a reply. So we're going to go ahead and close that out, and we're going to go here to PC1, and we're going to try to ping PC0 from it. Go to the desktop, go to the command prompt, look at the PC0's IP address, and it is 1.2, so ping 172.16.1.2. Go ahead and hit enter. And if you remember, 0 wasn't able to ping PC1, and we'll see if it's able to ping it here. And it looks like all of our requests are timing out. Try that one more time, see if it'll work. Maybe you just didn't have enough time. Alright, no reply there. So we're going to go ahead and hit PC2 with the ping, which we should remember it's 2.2. And as you can see on the loadout there, we did get a reply, no problem. So we're going to try the same with PC3, which, if we remember correctly, should be 3.2, 4.2. And as you can see there, we did receive a reply. So now what we need to do is go back into simulation mode here. We're going to create a simple PDU from PC0 to PC1. And then we're going to hit capture forward until the the PDU has made a complete trip from 0 to 1 and back. So it goes to distribution. And for some reason, not doing anything. So give me 1 second here. Alright, I think I have it correctly selected, so we're going to go ahead and try it now. So the packet goes to marketing, goes up to distribution, up to core, down to distribution 2, down to IT access, to 3, which is incorrect, going back up to the core. We're going to see if it'll actually able to get to the correct one here. And it looks like the buffer is full, so we're going to clear the event list. Alright. And a little bit of an explanation as to why possibly they couldn't communicate is with distribution layer, you know, we have each device on separate VLANs, which in order for them to communicate, they have to be, a router must be in place in order to allow the different VLANs to communicate by creating a sub-interface. Alrighty, I do thank you for watching my video on demonstrating distribution layer functions. The completion is 100% done. And I hope you have yourself a great day.